Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is easy to make banana bread. We're going to add the eggs and beat them up. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. We'll add our sugar, oil, milk, vanilla, salt, and mashed bananas. And we're going to stir this all up until it's combined. What I like about this recipe is everything can go into one bowl, and it's such an easy recipe. After all our wet ingredients are incorporated, we'll add our dry ingredients. Now we'll just add our baking powder, baking soda, and flour, and stir that all up together. We're going to pour this into our greased loaf pan. This could also be made into muffins. And then we'll place this in our preheated oven of 350. And we'll bake for 45 minutes or until the top is browned and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.